I will be right now watching the teaser of an upcoming Telugu film called Mirai. Now, this released quite some time back. It is almost 11 days since the day of the release of this particular teaser, and I am late in reacting to it, as usual. Anyway, this stars Teja Sajja, the guy who played the lead in Hanuman. Hanuman was the first film of his that I've watched, and I don't want to deal this any further. It's a teaser, but it's still over 2 minutes, so let's watch it. Okay. I have no context before I watched this, because when I was searching this, I found out that there was a glimpse of this particular film that came a year back. I have not watched it because I thought I'll just watch the teaser with zero context.
జరగబోయేది మారణహోమం.
Massacre, okay.
శిథిలం కాబోతోంది అశోకుడి ఆశయం.
Okay. Oh.
కలియుగంలో పుట్టిన ఏ శక్తి దీన్ని ఆపలేదు.
Oh, this is like sci-fi?
చిన్నప్పుడు నన్ను కొట్టింది. It's my dark horse. ఇది మహాపరిణామం. మీద చేయబోయే సంతకం.
More like mythical fiction.
ఈ ప్రమాదాన్ని ఆపే దారే లేదా?
ఈసారి దారి దైవం కాదు, యుగాల వెనక అవతరించిన ఓ ఆయుధం చూపిస్తుంది. అదే మిరాయ్.
Mirai. Oh, Super Yodha. Okay.
నువ్వు యోధావే, కానీ నువ్వెవరో నీకే తెలియని యోధా.
సమాధానం కోసం బయట కాదు, లోపల వెతుకు.
9 books, 100 questions. One stick. Big adventure.
Oh, this looks so interesting. September. Oh, I just love when some original storyline, when some original thought comes into a storyline. Like when I see that something different is getting attempted in cinema, just truly makes me so happy. Wow. Okay, there's so much to this. There is so much to this, because okay, I don't know everything, but with whatever I know, I'm just trying to piece it together. You guys can fill in the gaps. When the teaser started, it starts with King Ashok, and how in his reign, of course, he was a very brutal king, and then after that, when he realized that in war, just there's so much killing, so much bloodshed, he gave up everything, right? We know that story. And then it is widely believed that there are these 9, it's called the 9 unknown, but here it says book, that he knows that there were these 9 books or 9 unknowns, which held massive power, and I think it is based on that. Now I will have to research it on my own. I have forgotten, because I had read about this thing like long back, and this teaser just triggered my memory of it. So I'm going to do my own research and get the full context. But if somebody wants to comment about it, please do. So it is based typically on that, and then we see all these supernatural powers, and okay, it's a fight between good versus evil. We know this. Teja's character is essentially the savior, and he has to ensure that these 9 unknowns do not fall in the hands of this evil person who is the antagonist. So there's a little bit of supernatural, a little bit of history, a little bit of myth, so many things coming together, and that is why when this teaser ended, it made me so freaking happy, because this is how you build up original storylines. I just love, you just take something and then you weave out a complete new storyline and a complete new narrative, and then you have an original thought, and this is just so freaking interesting. Like, I would love to watch this movie, and if the narration is done really well, oh my god, this is then going to be a really epic movie. Because when it comes to the VFX and all, what I'm seeing, of course in a couple of places you could see that yeah, it's CG, like it was very obvious, but other than that, I mean, I don't know the budget of this film, but whatever CG I could see, it's quite good. It's quite good. The battlefield scenes, then the first shot where you see all the mountains, all of those were good. The train sequence, oh my god, look at the train sequence, how realistic it looks here. Huh? YRF, are you seeing? So yes, clearly we are going to get this action-packed adventure mixed with a little bit of history, a little bit of supernatural elements, a little bit of mythology, just so many things going on. And that's why I feel that about these 9 unknown things, or the 9 books, I would want to read up a little bit more about that, because yes, I remember it is connected. I think there was a novel also, but essentially yes, it is connected somewhat to King Ashok. But Teja looks amazing. The whole visual, the setup, the world looks phenomenal. I'll be very intrigued to watch this film whenever it releases. I think 5th, right? 5th September. Oh, and may we get a full-blown trailer. But you know what? I don't think we need it. This is enough to create the hype. This is enough to create the hype. So yes, thank you for asking me to actually react to this teaser. I actually saw your comment, you know who you are, that please react to this particular teaser. I think there was one more film. I'll check out that comment again, but I thought, okay, let me react to Mirai, and I'm so glad that I did. I'm so glad that I did. I really would have missed out. I don't know how I missed out, because usually I don't, but thank you for reminding me, and thank you for recommending this to me. So yes, that was my reaction to the teaser of Mirai, the Super Yodha. Yes. So let me know what are your thoughts in the comments below, and with that I will end this video here. I'll see you soon on my next one. Bye.